Hello, my name is Richard. I'm here today to tell you about my final project for Stanford's Code in Place. The program I decided to write would be two programs to communicate over a network using sockets. Writing both the server and the client software would be a difficult challenge. I will be using sockets to broadcast and receive messages from both the client and the server, and threading processes will be used so messages can be sent and received instantly by both the client and the server. The server software works as a communication hub between users who use the client software to connect to the server. The server needs to keep track of a client's nickname and socket information. Each message the server sends to each user will contain the client's name so other clients can know who sent the message. A message socket is used to send a message back to the client. The client program connects to the server using a socket and IP address along with the port provided. The program will initially ask for the user's name, so they will use to connect to the server. The client software has two main roles. The client software must receive any message the server broadcasts from another user. The client must also transmit a message the user types into the program by the user. Both processes will be done asynchronously with Python thread library. Both programs work roughly the same way, in which both the server and the client create a socket object to use to communicate with each other over the network. The server binds its address to a socket on the current machine, while the client creates a socket to connect to the server on IP and port given. However, the server needs to keep track of all the different clients' addresses and ports and username, while each client connected to the server only needs to know the server's IP address and port number to communicate with. The server will accept a message by any of the clients currently connected and rebroadcast the message to each user connected.